This is part 3 of my money series, talking about the money conversations that nobody taught us about. And if you haven't seen part 1 and 2, they're linked above. Please go watch those because this is the one that I've been building to. Because today we're talking about the thing that happens to women that nobody warns us about. Here's how it happens, and it's so gradual that you don't even notice that it's happening. You start a relationship and you're independent. You've got your own money, you've got your own accounts, your own sense of how to handle your financial life. Then you meet someone, you move in together, and you start to merge things as the natural progression of a relationship. Bills go in one name, sometimes savings get combined. Maybe you pull back on your career a little bit. Maybe you stop tracking your own finances because we handle it all together now. Then one day, and I hope this never happens to you, but I need to say it. If that relationship ends, you look up and realize you don't know where you stand financially. You don't have a clear picture of what's yours and what's theirs. You might not even have your own credit score anymore. And that's not a partner's fault. That's a systems problem. It's what happens when we don't build protection into a foundation. And here's the framework that I believe in and I actively do, and I want you to write this down. I call it your money, my money, and our money. You have your own account, they have an account, and you have either a joint account or a pool of money that is dedicated to your shared expenses. Your money is yours. You save it, invest it, you spend it. There's no explanation needed for how you decide to handle your money. That is your financial identity, and you never, ever give that up. And then their money, it's the same deal. It's their autonomy. Now, the our money part is where you both contribute to the shared life that you have together. So this is rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, dog food, gas, trips, whatever that you've both agreed on. And the split doesn't have to be 50-50. If you're a partner that makes more and you feel comfortable changing the split to 60-40, 70-30, or you're okay with reducing your lifestyle because you're cognizant of the fact that your other partner doesn't make as much as you do, but the number doesn't matter. The argument does. And to avoid that argument, you need to have that conversation. This system helps you protect yourself and protect your partner because you're maintaining your independence, you're maintaining your autonomy. You're pulling the veil off of this financial, conversation that we're never supposed to talk about. No, and you're looking at it head on and you're coming together and you're agreeing what works for the both of you while maintaining who you both are as individuals. And before I close this whole series out, I need to say something, especially if you're in your 20s or your 30s and you feel like you're behind. You are probably doing way better than you think. If you're paying your bills on time, that's a win. If you've got any amount saved, even $20, that's a win. And watching this video and thinking about it puts you ahead of so many other people. Because most people aren't having these conversations. Most people aren't even asking the questions. But the fact that you are, that's the whole foundation. That's instilling trust in yourself, instilling that confidence in yourself to maintain what you have, look at your partner, and know that you can also build something off of your own personal foundation. And the rest just comes down to strategy. And this is the thing that I want you to carry with you from this entire series. Money is not the enemy of love, but silence about money is. The conversation is the thing. It's always been the thing. Yes, it's uncomfortable at first. Yes, you need to be vulnerable. Yes, you need to extend some trust to the person that you expect to spend the rest of your life with. And your palms might sweat, and you might stutter, and you might feel your anxiety rise. And you might not even know where to start. But the discomfort of one conversation is nothing compared to the years of guessing, assuming, and slowly losing yourself. This is the stuff that they didn't teach us growing up, and honestly, I feel like that is such a disservice to us. But you know what? I'm kind of glad they didn't, because now we get to figure it out together on our terms, on the terms with your partner, with no shame, no judgment, just open conversation. Drop a comment and tell me which money conversation you wish someone had with you sooner, because I'm a firm believer in whatever you say, someone else needs to hear it too. I'm Naomi. Thank you for being here for all 3 parts. That means the world to me, and I'll see you in the next one.